Hello children, welcome to English language learning program. It's a great pleasure to invite you all in this lesson on behalf Computer Resource Center, Vadamaradchi Zone and Zonal Education Office, Vadamaradchi. Today we are going to discuss about grade 11, unit 4, activity 4.6. Children, you know activity 4.6, this lesson is based on reported speech. Reported speech is a compulsory question, GC ordinary level question paper. So, you must learn this lesson thoroughly well. Okay children, shall we move to the next lesson? Okay. Yes. Reported speech is a grammar activity. You know, children, you know, you have learned already in this lesson in grade 10. Some of you learned, some of you don't know what is reported speech. Reported speech is when we can tell someone what another person said. To do this, we can call direct or indirect speech. Okay? Have you understood in this lesson? Yeah. Unit 4, activities 4.6 is reported speech. Okay? Okay. First of all, we will move on competency. Uses English grammar for the purpose of accurately and effective communication. You must know how to turn direct into indirect speech. So, you have to learn first what is the sentences. Okay? Yeah. Competency level. Competency level 6.11 uses reported speech accurately. How to turn into reported speech accurately. So, you must learn how to rules and grammar formation in this lesson. Next one, we will move on objectives. Get the ability to form indirect speech meaningfully. Get the ability to form indirect speech meaningfully. You must know, get the ability. You know, what is the ability? Direct or indirect. When the direct speech is given, you must turn into indirect speech. When the indirect speech is given, you must turn into direct speech. Next one, use direct into indirect speech authentically. You know, it's like a game. When the direct speech is given, you must turn into indirect speech. When the indirect speech is given, you must turn into direct speech. Next one, build up reported speech according to the structure. Once you learn, okay, build up reported speech. Once you learn rules and grammar formation, how to turn into sentence, into indirect speech. Then we will move on. Outcome. Students, you will be able to understand structure of reported speech accurately. You will be able to understand. You must know the sentence and how to turn into indirect speech, and we will give in the indirect speech and it turn into direct speech. You must structure of the reported speech accurately. Okay? Have you understood this lesson? Yes. There are some fundamental rules for indirect speech. Children, you know there are some fundamental rules for indirect speech. Fundamental rules, what is meaning of fundamental rules? Fundamental is the basic rules. These are the exceptional rules and rules. Okay? We don't have change anyone. These rules. Okay? Reported speech is not enclosed on quotation mark. When we use direct speech, is enclosed on quotation mark or inverted comma. In the other hand, reported speech is not enclosed on quotation mark. When we use the direct speech, say or say, we can use that word. In the other hand, we can use indirect speech, use of word that. Now, we want to change in pronoun. Later, we will see how to change in pronoun. Okay? Next, we will move on. General rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, what is general rule for changing direct speech into indirect speech? Let's see. Omit all inverted commas. We will omit, avoid or remove this inverted comma. Inverted comma is, we can use this one. Quotation mark in the sentence with full stop. Omit all inverted commas or quotation marks, end the sentence with a full stop. Next one, when we report something using the extract word of the speech, we use direct speech. When we use direct speech, report something using extra words. We can use of speaker that, change the pronouns and general rules, fundamental rules, so on. When we report something in our words, we use indirect speech. When we report something in our words, we use in indirect speech. Okay, next move on. There are some common rules. These are the common rules. Okay, direct speech and indirect speech. When the direct speech say today, when the direct speech, let's see, when the direct speech say now, then you have to turn into indirect speech then. Then direct speech is today becomes indirect speech that day. Next one here, when the direct speech is here becomes indirect speech is there. When the direct speech is ago becomes indirect speech is before. When the direct speech is tomorrow, when the indirect speech is turned into next day. When the direct speech is yesterday becomes indirect speech is previous day. Thus turns into so. This, that. Let's see. Here that is changed into those. Last week last month, last year. You have to change into previous week, previous month, previous year. Last one is next week, next month, next year. Becomes to the following week, month, year. Next, move on. How to change the pronoun? When the direct speech is given I, we have to change into indirect speech he or she. Then we is given direct speech, we have to turn into indirect speech they. When the direct speech is given you, we have to change into he or she or they. When the direct speech is given my, the indirect speech is given to change, we have to change into his or her. Our becomes their. Me becomes him or her. Your, his or her or their. Last one is us. We have to change into them. Next, move on. Last one, you have to learn some common rules and how to change the pronouns and how to change the common rules. You have learned these rules and grammar formation. Now you have to change into sentence of reported speech. There are some tenses. Children, you know, you have already learned these tenses, grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. When the direct speech is given simple present, now how to change indirect speech is simple past. Okay? When the direct speech is given simple present, you have to turn into indirect speech is simple past. For example, he said. Please look at this. He said. Here we have to use said. I write a letter. We have to use inverted comma or quotation mark. So, how to change into simple past? Okay, let's see. He said, we have to use here that. How to change into I? Here we have to change into he. How did you change it? He used that he and we have to change into he. Here verb is right. Present form of the verb right. Okay. Then you have to turn into, right is a turn into wrote. Okay. Have you understood this lesson? Okay. He said he write a letter. Here how to change into simple past? He said, okay, that he wrote a letter. Here we have to change into past form of the word and we have to use the form that. Please look at this. Here we have to use enclose with a full stop. We don't use that inverted comma or quotation mark. When the direct speech is fundamental rule is given, you have learned, he said that he wrote a letter. Okay, next move on. Present continuous form. What is present continuous? What is he doing? What are you doing? What is she doing? Now, is the action is going on. Present continuous. For example, she said, I am coming. She said, I am coming. Okay. Here we have to change into past continuous. Children, you have to memorize this, how to change the simple present and simple past. You have memorized that in your mind. Present continuous change into past continuous. She said that she was coming. Okay, present continuous is changed into past continuous. She said, here we use that. She is used, here use she. I am is present form of be, I am. Was is he, she is used, was. Okay. Let's move. Present perfect. Third one is present perfect. Present perfect tense is, they said, we have already know, you know. Present for perfect is used. We have normally we have used have or has form of the verb, helping verb, and past participle of the verb form. Here we have to change the past perfect. Okay, past perfect. They said we have not gone to Colombo. Okay, they said we have not gone to Colombo. Here we have to change the past perfect. They said, we have to use that word. They, here he have or has, we have to change into past form of the perfect had. Had not gone to Colombo. Next, move on. Fourth one is present perfect continuous. What is the present perfect continuous? Here is continuous action. Present perfect, I said, he has been working. He is working since 2 years. He has working 2 years. I said he has been working. Present perfect continuous is this change to past perfect continuous. I said that she had been working. Here has is changed into had. Perfect continuous is been. Be form of past participle. Continuous action is working. Here continuous action is working. Okay. Then last one is past tense. Past tense is changed into past perfect. She said, I did not buy a car. She said, okay, I did not buy a car. Here use that did not, negative form, past form. Here past perfect, we have changed into said that had not. We don't change into verb form. Here we don't change into, only helping verb is changed. Have you understood the sentence how to change direct speech into indirect speech sentence form? Okay, let's see. Now it's time for you. You are going to do, there are some activities in reported speech. You are going to change into reported speech. Here, look at this. The boy said, I am happy with my results. Okay. Next one, Angela said, I bought a pen yesterday. Next one, Angela said, I bought a pen yesterday. First of all, you have to identify the sentence, present or past or present continuous or direct speech is given. What is the sentence formation? Then you have to change into indirect speech. how to change that. Already you have learned this now. John said, I am going to church. John said, I am going to church. Kamal said, I have done my homework. Kamal said, I have done my homework. Nimal said, I have been studying. There are different types of sentence formation. Now you are going to change into reported speech. Okay, you have do in your exercise book in these activities, and we will check you do correct or not it. Okay. Finally, we have to check what is the answer is given. Look at this. What is the answer is given? First one, have you got it? Yes. The boy said that he was happy with his results. Here we have used that. The boy is used he. Present form of the verb he was used. He is happy. He was. With his. With my interchange pronoun is his. Okay. Next one. Angela said that. Have you got it? First one is yes, good. Next one. Angela said that she had bought a pen the previous day. Angela said that she had bought a pen the previous day. Here present perfect is changed into past perfect. Angela is given changed into she, had, present has is changed into had. Here verb is past participle, pen is the day. Yesterday is changed into common rules given. Already you have learned that the previous day. Okay, right. Third one is John said that he was going to church. Here John said that he is going to church. Present continuous. Yeah. Now you have to change into was is going past continuous to church. Okay. Here John is you have to use that he. Last one. Next one is Kamala said that she had done her homework. She has say Kamala said that Kamala is using that she had done. Here present perfect is changed into had done. Here has is use had, and here done. Okay. Here done my homework, done her homework. Here my is her. Last one is Nimal said that he had been studying. Here Nimal said that present perfect continuous. He has been is changed into had been. Nimal is changed into he. We have to use that past part is present continuous, perfect is been, and studying is going continuous sentence. Okay students, now you have learned this reported speech. I think that you have learned and understood what is he or she learned this lesson. Here you have do some this exercise and take your textbook, English grade 11 textbook, turn to activity unit 4.6. You have do some exercise in your practice more. Okay, thank you children watching this lesson. Thank you very much. Thank you.